குட் மார்னிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். சிஸ்டம் சாஃப்ட்வேரில் ஏப்ரல் 2016 உடைய யூனிவர்சிட்டி கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். அதில் பார்ட் சி ஃபஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் த வேரியஸ் லாங்குவேஜ் ப்ராசஸர் development tools. What is language processor? A program that performs tasks such as translating and interpreting required for processing specified programming language. Editor provides facility to write, store and manage code. Provides other tools for programming like compiler, debugger, linker, etc. Compiler. Check the code line by line to find the syntax error. If code is error, free translate program into a machine language. Object code is machine dependent. Interpreter one instruction at a time. It checks, translate and execute the instructions. Does not produce a object code. High-level programming language. Input, interpreter, output, result of the program executions. Assembler means translate an assembly language program into a machine code. It reserves space for data. Replace mnemonic codes by machine code. Replaces symbolic addresses by numeric addresses. Determines machine representations of constants. Assembly language program input, assembler output gives to a machine language program. Linker resolve the relative locations of instructions on data. Link libraries with the object and put them together are executable. Linker gives to object loader. Loader means inbuilt components of OS. Load program into main memory and prepare them for executions. Debugger used to find logical errors. Allows you to stop program at any step of execution. Check and change the values of different variables. Macroprocessor. The repeated code, for example UDP of a program, is controlled by macroprocessor. It referred each repeated set of code by a name set of code when that name occurs in a program. The program development cycle. Define the problem. Careful reading of the problem. We are not focusing on solutions part here. Analyze the problem. Determine all possible solutions and select the best from them. We can break whole problem into sub-problems. Design the solution. Create an outline on how the program should execute. Expand it into steps which describe order to task to be carried out. Code the program. Begins only after we have clear idea about algorithm of solution. We can use appropriate language and editor to write the program. Compilation of code. Find the syntax and semantic errors. Compiler or interpreters of corresponding language can be used. If error occurs, we need to change the code to solve errors. After successful compilation, object code is generated that a machine can understand. Linking of object code. Linker links the libraries and object code, then puts all object into correct order in the executable. If errors occur during linking, it might be a problem in writing code of linking. Loading of program. Loader loads the program into main memory and control it passed to processor. Loading includes reading an executable, checking permission, initializing register, program execution and testing. Execution of program is done by processor. Debugger can be used to trace the error. We verify the output. If the desired output is not achieved, we need to revise the whole process. Next 10 more questions. Explain macro concept. What is macro? A macro is a unit of specifications for program generation through expansion. A macro consists of a name, a set of formal parameters and body of the code. The use of macro name with set of actual parameters is replaced by some code generated from its body. This is called macro expansions. Macro example. Macro means start of the definitions. INC or macro name. A1 data, A2 data, A3 data. Sequence of instructions to be abbreviated MEND. End of the definitions. Basic macroprocessor functions. A program A program with macro definitions and invocation. Macro processor. Program without macro definition. Expanded program. Assembler and object program. These are the basic macro processor functions. Nested macro calls. A model statement is a macro may constitute a call on another macro. Such calls are known as nested macro calls. Macro containing the nested cell is outer macro and macro called is inner macro. The follow LIFO rule. Thus in structures and of nested macro calls, expansion of nested macro call is completed first. Nested macro calls example. Definitions of macro on add 1, definitions of macro add 5. This gives to add 1 add 2. This is called for the expanded of the program. Advanced macro facilities gives to advanced macro facilities are aimed to supporting semantic expansion, used for performing conditional expansions of model statements and in writing expansion time loops. These facilities can be grouped in following: facilities for alternations of flow of control during expansion time variables, attributes of parameters. Macro concept using for algorithm pass 1 pass 2. Pass 1 is consist of macro processor makes a line by line scan cover as input. Set MDTC equal to 1 as well as MNTC equal to 1. Read next line from input program. If it is macro pseudo of the entire macro definition except this line is stored in MDT. The name is entered macro name table along with the pointer to the first locations of MDT. Entry of the definitions. When the end pseudo of is encountered till the macro definitions have been proceed and control statements is transferred to pass 2. Pass 2 algorithm. The algorithm reads one line of input from at a time. For each line of checks if opcode that matches any of them MNT entry. When match is found, If when match is found, when call is pointer called MD if no corresponding macro definition stored in MDT. The initial value of MDT is field of MNT entry. The next question, parameter passing mechanism in compilation of control structure. Parameter classifications. Basic questions concerning parameter passing. For each parameter, what exactly is passed from the caller to callee. The parameter addresses its content or something else. Various parameter passing methods: call by value, passing R values, call by references, passing I values, call by copy restore, hybrid between by value and by references, aka call by value result, call by name passing via name substitution is rarely used. First design for ALGOL 60. Next one is call by value. Each actual argument is evaluated before call on entry. The resulting value is copied and bound to the parameters, which behaves just like a local variable. Advantages: simple, easy to understand. Formal parameters can be used as the local variables. Updating them does not affect actuals in calling procedure. Double IHYP, double A, double B, open bracelet A equal to A asterisk A, B equal to B asterisk B. Return square root of A asterisk B. Use built-in square root functions. Problem with call by value can be inefficient if value is large, cannot affect calling environment directly, can return result only through a return value. Call by reference, implemented by passing address of actual parameters. On entry, the formal is bound to the address, providing a reference to actual parameters from within the subroutine. If actual argument does not have an I value, example 2 plus 3, then either forbid the in language. Treat as an error. Compiler catches this, evaluate it into a temporary location and pass its address. But what will be the modified value of actual after the call? Advantages: no more large copying. Actual parameters can be updated. Now swap etc. are fine. Problems with by call by reference. Access are slower. The formal parameters is an address that must be dereferenced to get the value. Opportunity for analyzing problem. Example. Questions: can we combine the simplicity of call by value with the efficiency for large values of call by references? C and C++ solution. C uses call by value except for array structure. Pause actual contents while array are paused by addresses. Array do not get copied when paused as parameters. Separately, programs can take the address of a variable explicitly and pause. C++ inherits the above properties of C. Furthermore, it supports call by reference parameter through the use of reference variables. Pascal and ADA solution. In Pascal, ADA and similar languages, structures and array can be paused by value, copying the whole contents or by references, passing only the address. In a parameter is to passing value of the actual into the subroutine. Out parameter it for passing value of the formal parameters back to the actual. In out parameter it for passing value into as well as out from the subroutine. The idea is to let the programmer decide which parameter passing method used for which parameter. Later versions of ADA fix the implementation choice. Scalar types are paused by value if an in parameter or copy restored. If in an out and or in out parameter, aka value result parameters. Composite data types are paused by references. Java solutions. Java has a only call by value mode. However, in Java, a variable representing an object is to a reference to an object instead of its content. Note that the variable values points to actual if steps. When object is paused as a parameter, only its reference is copied. This reference model of variable also provides some call by reference like benefits. When an object is paused as an actual parameter, its content can be updated in the subroutine. Difference to call by reference. Call by copy restore. Each actual argument is evaluated to a value before call. On entry, value is bound to formal parameters just like a local. Updating formal parameters does not affect actual scene calling procedure during execution. Upon exit, the final contents of formals are copied into the actuals. Thus behaves like call by reference in most normal situations, but may have different results when concurrencies or alignments are involved. Call by name. First introduced Algol 60 first implemented we thank by in intergovernment. Idea derived from substitutions or macro expansion. In C and some other languages, macros are used to define simple function. This user interface of a macro resembles that a function. When a macro is invoked, each formal parameter is literally replaced by corresponding actual parameter string substitutions. However, macro and functions are fundamentally different. Macros are invoked at compile time. Functions are called at runtime. Macros cannot contain recursions. But blind substitution is dangerous because of possible variable capture. Here T is captured by the declaration in the macro and is undefined if is the first case. Call by names is actually substitutions with renaming where the necessary. Flexible but potentially very confusing and inefficient to implement. Requires small .dll for piece of code evaluate actual parameters. More questions. Explain linker. What is a linker? A system software that combines two or more separate object programs and supply the information needed to allow reference between them. History of a historical perspective in address binding. Linking is a low level programming and written problem வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா and inspections address bound to the names too clearly. Assembler made it simple. Programmer gives to computer. after advent of operating system, separation of linkers and loaders. At the time of programs become a larger than available memory. Overlay techniques that let programs arrange from different parts of a program to share the same memory, with each overlay loaded on demand with another part of the program called into it. Popular in 1960s but faded after the advent of virtual memory on PCs at 1990s. Types of linking, two types. First one is dynamic linking, second one is static linking. Static linkers takes a input a collection of relocatable object files and command line arguments and generate as a output fully linked executable object file that can be loaded and run. Dynamic linking. The address of called procedures are not bound until the first call. Programs can bind to libraries as the programs are running, loading libraries in the middle of program execution. This provides a powerful and high performance way to extend the function of programs. MS Windows extensively uses DLL, Dynamic Linked Libraries. Difference between linker and loader. Linker is a program that takes one or more objects generated by a compiler and combines them into a single executable program. Loader is a part of an operating system that is responsible for loading programs and executables into memory, preparing them for execution and executing them. Linkers are the system software that are used to link the functions resources to the respective references. Example, source code.c is compiled and converted into object obj in C. After this linker comes into the act, linker resolve all the references in object file obj file via linking them to the respective codes and resources. In short linker performance, the final step to convert .obj into executable or machine readable file .exe. Example, hash include stdio.h into main open brace printf Ashwin return 0 close bracket. Here compile first searches the declaration for printf function, find it in an hash include stdio.h and creates a object file successfully. A symbol table is created in obj file which contains all the reference to be resolved. Linker resolves them by providing perspective code or resources. Here code referred by printf also gets executed after successful creations of .exe file by a linker. Loader are the programs that are used to load the resource like files from secondary or main memory. Loader loads the referred resource or file after being linked to refer via linker during the execution of a program. Linking process. Linker gives to object files shared libraries, normal libraries like and load map, execute tab life and debug symbol file control files. This is also called the linking process. Object code libraries. Object code library is a set of object files. Object file means header information, size, creation date, object code. Relocation information like first places to relocate. Symbols. Global symbols define and symbols imported. Debugging information, source file like numbers, local symbols, data structure. A library is a little more than a set of object code files. Object code libraries. All linkers supports object code libraries in one form or another, with most also providing support for various kinds of shared libraries. After the linker processes all of the regular input files, if any imported names remain undefined, it runs through the library or libraries and link in any of the files in the library that export one or more undefined names. Object code libraries. Linker object A, object B. More than A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the execute file. The execute file gives to the library 1 and library 2. Shared libraries complicate this task a little by moving some of the work from link time to load time. The linker identifies the shared libraries that resolve the undefined names in a linker run, but rather than linking any time into the program, the linker notes in the output file the names of the libraries in which the symbols were found, so that the shared library can be found in when the program is loaded. These are called the linker. Next question: fundamental steps in program development. Steps in program development. Define the problem. Outline the solution. Develop the outline into algorithm. Test the algorithm for correctness. Code the algorithm into a programming language. Run the program on computer, document and maintain the program. These are the steps for the program development. First one is structure programming, top-down development, modular design, structure theorem, algorithm, pseudocode. Top-down development. Consider the problem as a whole and break it down into the component parts. Each part becomes a problem to be solved in its own right. Using stepwise refinement, the problem is repeatedly broken down into smaller parts until it becomes manageable. Modular design. Second one. A module is a step or subtask resulting from stepwise refinement. A problem solution which has a well-defined set of input, processing and outputs. Algorithms are written at module level. The structure theorem. Only three constructs should ever be used in programming: sequence, selection, iteration. No unstructured go-tos or stops. Algorithm definition. List the steps involved in accomplishing a task which must be liquid, precise and unambiguous. Give the correct solution in all cases eventually end. Algorithms can be written in pseudocode or can be expressed by means of a flowchart. Of other specification technique include JSD or Nesis statement diagram. Pseudocode. Statements are written in simple English. Each instruction is written as a separate line. Keywords and indentations are used to signify particular control structure. Each set of instructions is written from top to bottom with only one entry and one exit. Group of statements may be formed into modules and that group can be given a name. Stored a program concept, data area, procedure area, input, output. Input gives to data and instruction gives to output. Stored program concept. Data area is specific and rigorously defined. Procedural area can take data into a data area from outside. Put information out from the data area. Manipulate the data in the data area.